Previously on Seed of Shame Reloaded.
Wow. Good day, my people. You dey enjoy, though. You dey enjoy. It's good now. Make una dey cool. Make una enjoy yourself. Make una enjoy yourself, oh. Enjoy yourself. Nani, landlady. Make una enjoy yourself, oh. No one will come to my house or rent house in my house. That will not be happen. You the landlady. Mama, you don't go work. Abi, Mama dey go work. You don't say me I dey work. You don't get work. I sit down here. Good now.
This life no be the life wey we come we go see o. So this our house, that is house of food. Husband wey no get work na him dem dey carry nepa money give say if nepa don come o help us give dem money. That's how we see am. Na wow, this our house dem dey call the noise maker of the house.
You don't start. I go scatter am. No, don't do ojoro.
Okay. I don't hear. Yes. Everything dey alright. I said everything dey okay. Why are you talking like this? Shebi, you know me. You know what I can do now? They no go suspect anything. Yes. No be me. Na me now.
What? Fresh waiting. What? I cannot shout no. This thing go food. This one go food. I beg you, come on, man. What? Fresh wait. You see what I dey comot. You don't. You see what I no rush. If you come here, you try am. This one go food. This one. I no go. Carry your bag. Carry waiting. Now, waiting dey happen. I no fit. It's okay. Go to. Yeah, don't. Me oti go. It's okay. It's okay. See. Now very important for yesterday. Take am easy. Make una take am easy now. You want peace? Yeah, no come out. Waiting. Leave this place now. This bag go full. This one go full before this woman gets better for you. Your one too much. Oh no, your one too much for this house. Wetin happen now? Okay. The water no rush very well. You no rush, abi? You no rush. E be like say. I dey come. Wait, so I dey come. Down now. I dey come. You get to do what you want.
No get eyes. Sorry. Na Abino. You no dey see for afternoon.
I dey see. That's why I can't come here.
Wetin you want?
I want to rent house.
You want?
We want rent house.
How many of you?
You don't blind me. You don't see me and my baby here.
Your pikin.
My baby, the love of my life.
Okay. You are welcome.
Thank you.
How much you get? Where you want rent house?
How much I get?
Mhm.
Baby, you don't get me. How much I get? How much you want to put your house down?
Okay. Let's start from commission.
Okay.
60,000.
Okay.
Agreement 50,000.
Okay.
What do they call them? The refundable
Okay.
allowance 80,000.
Okay.
Then the house itself 100,000
Okay.
for one room, and you go pay for every 2 years.
We go pay for every 2 years.
Yes.
I mean, see that room, you go fit contain like 10 people.
No, we get room for my house, so
Which room, sir?
you can't have more than 3 people for my house. And when you want to get extra picking, you go let me know. So, and if you want to go to toilet, you must queue.
I don't understand you. You mean say if I want? Must tell you.
Yes.
No, did you do with this? Hey!
No worry, you know, say now everybody gets on back. No problem.
Ah! They rush.
Eh?
You know what you go do. Ah, we are fresh and we got the rush. Fresh and
This landlady. No worry, she go collect.
go. Before you go carry and put for my head.
So,
If you say na small, you want fresh.
so come and fresh water. Abi? No worry. She go collect.
Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you will end up at the seat of shame. Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you may end up at the seat of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of
They know they sabi the true matter. Make I just dey observe, sha. They never know when. They never know anything. Make I just dey cool, observe.
Mommy, good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Make una dey happy.
Thank you, Mom. Hope all is okay, Ma.
All is well.
Yeah. Thank you, Ma. Well done, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
You never know anything. They don't know wetin dey come o. They will see when. I swear.
Yeah, my character in that episode is just having to be a pastor's wife. Well, coincidentally, in real life, I'm also a pastor's wife. So it's not, I won't say it's a coincidence, but it's just me acting my role as in real life and on set as well.
Seed of shame just dey begin. Hey, I don't want them. They no sabi, they no gree. Oh, they no gree. This seed of shame. We get parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, maybe part 10. You will see where. Because I then one. You no gree. These people, you no gree. While I done ready like this, you don't pull them. You just pull them, and while I done come, you will see.
Oh, seed of shame. Seed of
shame. It does not change me. The character I acted does not change me. Because you know what is in you, it is what is in you. Your natural life is your natural life. The character we are acting is the character we have to put on when we want to act a movie, a series, so on and so forth. But that character make me more powerful. That's the area I can see that it changed me a little bit. It makes me more powerful. It makes me more active on anybody that is doing wrong thing or doing amebo or doing a lot of things. And it makes me to be, if I am a landlady, how am I going to do it if really I met some people relating or acting like this in my yard? So it really helped me to be more bold than before.
You know, say na my turn. Na me I will force fresh water. You know. So,
no, they do like that now. Why be saying every time now only you go the first. I first this time now,
eh? Wahala ti tán. Wahala don tire you. No problem. We be ajo wa ni. And so, you know, say goat dey waka like general.
Tani goat.
You won't fight.
Tani goat.
You won't fight again.
Why you call me goat?
I know goat.
Tani goat, Tani general.
These people don't know anything. They know way to make I surprise them. You people never see where. You never see anything in life. You know ways make I surprise you. You now won't surprise me. In my house. Is it possible? For you to surprise me. You no even say I should surprise you, or you wait small. You know wait small. Make I just bring my surprise. You now want to surprise me. You will see what you never see in life. Now me, the only landlady of this house. Now me say that too. Hey, now me say that. You will see where? You will see Mwe? If you not listen, oh. If you not they listen. In this house, Wala don't start. Wala don't start.
Before you come back again, fast, when we come off for here.
Madam, that's an insult. I won't take that. Are you trying to use his thing that is paining me to abuse us in our presence like this? I don't take that from you.
Is this an abuse?
It is. I won't take that from you. I can't. I don't joke with my husband, though.
Sorry.
Please, I don't joke with my husband. Are you stylishly insulting him? Sweetheart, you should understand now. I don't joke. I don't use you as a joke. I don't use you as a joke. Now you start waiting, they do it, they tell you I'm well done.
Sweetheart.
Okay.
It's all right.
But we should not talk that thing again.
Let's be civil. Let's be civil. See, no push. No fight. No push. No fight. So 5. We here. We are in one accord. Nothing go fit divide us. So no push. No fight. You repeat. No push. No now.
No fight.
Talk and straight.
No fight. You don't beat me. If I start my own now, go say chief tenant don't start. No fight. You beat me now.
No fight.
I be person wife.
Sorry.
Madam Chief Tenant. True. Calmness is sweet. Pass wahala. But in this life, let's just learn to respect each other.
Bam.
I can never disrespect you.
Bam.
So please, mind the way you go to talk to my husband.
Yes, ma'am.
I know they joke with him.
Yes, ma'am.
He beat you, sorry. But that one don't mean say you can't abuse him.
Yes,
I beg.
Yes,
I know if you can't talk to your husband like that anyhow.
Yes,
so you get as you go talk to my husband, I will say I go fight you.
Yes, ma'am.
But true. Calmness is sweet pass wahala. So maybe we just stay in unity. Down.
See.
Yes.
That one go hard you. All this thing where you they talk. It go hard though for this compound.
Chief tenant. See, nothing hard. It is just put your mind. That's all.
I hear you now. If you don't hear my own.
No. Just try me.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace reign.
Peace.
I don't know.
Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Oh, seed of shame. Seed of shame.
Next time on Seed of Shame Reloaded.
How na dey?
I'm fine.
I wan tell you something. I want to tell you that everything dey ready. Make una observe them very well. You hear? I believe say some people they no dey honest. They are not honest. Oh, you are clever. Oh. I fit trust you as you dey like this. I fit trust you because you are clever.
That lady, what you talk?
This woman wey no pure at all. Hey. My eyes dey wash you. Me and you for this compound. Okay.
You don't observe any. Anything. Wow. Wahala. Where they stop for this compound?
Pastor, you don't tire me. That's why you see me taking this pure water to cool down my temper. Because the way I'm just seeing, it's just as if maybe one devil just entered this compound and sow a seed of discord. You know, just come sow seed. People say everybody just say this is somebody good money. You just begin to vex. Say good afternoon. You just begin to vex. For so far so good. I just sit down here. Just say, you know, say if I don't get anything what they do for inside, and here they sit down, they see.
Me, I think say.
You don't drink water. You're not a fine pastor, sir. Fine boy pastor.
I'm doing water fasting.
Okay, water fasting.
Yes.
So there's something they call water fasting.
Yes. You got to chop.
You're not doing water.
No, go take water.
That our landlady, she's too nice.
Eh? Nice. She nice. I say she don't give you something.
No, she don't give me anything.
Why you can't talk and say she nice?
I just observe her.
Where she nice at? Which kind nice?
Make her shut my mouth.
But come on. I dey hear to you.
You don't come again.
Waiting.
Now all the time you dey hear tori.
Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you will end up by the seed of shame. Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you may end up by the seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you will end up by the seed of shame. Sometimes when you think you are smart, sometimes when you think you are wise, if you're not careful enough, you may end up by the seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Whatever you cook, you will eat. Don't be deceived in life. You may end up a seed of shame. Whatever you sow, you will Whatever you cook, you will eat. Don't be deceived in life. You may end up a seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Seed of shame. Sometimes when you think